Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got another little pocket knife to show you. This is a brown shoe co, brown Bilt shoes, pin pocket knife. This company later on became Buster Brown Shoes. And it's got a little Spearpoint blade here. Brown shoe co on the tang there. It's got a little swedge. And you got your nail nick there. And on this side there's some manicuring knife here, or blade. Tip bolsters, celluloid mother of pearl scales. What else? Guess we can measure it here. 3 inches closed. Let's check out the weight. There we go. 0.9 ounces. Pretty lightweight. So there you have it. Another little pocket knife. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.